Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Electoral Officer Jylla, BDR Tiwari IS, ulong ba Jylla kalapan Khreh bha nakabenta banne yak special intensive revision ha Jylla. Ulong ba kibadi hok kinong shong Jylla Meghalaya kila banthe vote, bat gitu kibawan sa Jylla Meghalaya ru kibadan kikot kisla kibabiang banthe vote, kila banthe yak vote jongki, da ka boong ba hangno ru hapo kari kila banthe vote hendai kibadan kam kalong bagidi banthe vote tang hakaway ka jaka om bantam yakata. Ulong nakabenta ka SIR don kam ya ka epic jongki, bat ka epic kikmiki pa, bat kiway pat kibaladap penbena. Tiwari ulong baka kinhun chung u kalapan Khreh bha nakabenta ka SIR, bat kidang yad hapo ka hikay nakabenta ban pensishay kinong thep vote, bat ban sam yaki form jingkhen brio haman kaway pakaway ka yiyang.
The Honorable Election Commission of India will announce the schedule, then only.
The machinery is ready. Election machinery is ready.
Election machinery is always ready.
No update of rolls, nothing much.
Role already, since SIR schedule is already been announced for the state of Meghalaya, we are ready for the SIR in the state.
Sir, talking about SIR, I just wanted to know, we have a lot of disputed land also in Assam and Odisha. How are you going to go about?
Basically, as present, whatever role, whoever are the member in the e-roll of the Meghalaya, we are going to do as per this present e-roll and the base e-roll of the 2005 when the previous SIR happened, and as per the norm prescribed by Election Commission of India, it will happen.
What about the voters who, there are categories of those who, the professionals who come here and they get the voting rights?
Basically, whoever are the citizen of India, 18 year of age, they are eligible to be voter. So there are certain time if they are residing within the state of Meghalaya. So whoever have the legal eligibility to be the voter anywhere in the country. So, but they can be voter in one place, not more than one place at a time.
So what are the documents usually they have to submit post 2005?
Basically, till whoever they have the at least epic along with their epic of their relation like mother, father, whoever are there. So, and along with one, there are we already briefed during the SIR. So today, again, mainly this press conference is for the Rajya Sabha biennial election. But moreover, all those prescribed documents, everything, those 11 ID proof along with that Aadhaar is also the 12th, but it is some legal limitations are there. So all those things are already been briefed to the press, and once since the process is ongoing, there is a lot of publicity related thing. We already did the mapping of the voter list with the present one along with the previous one. So our teams are fully ready. We are going for the training phase, that is more important, because BLOs are supposed to go door to door. They have to give the notices and all that work. So enumeration form have to be given to all the voters for the verification. So our teams are getting ready for the conduct of SIR. Thank you.
Barok ki brio ki khmi yakalaway babha ki wat yakajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya man kasni kalong ka jing stang bathuma ki jing ikai bapura katkom kajok kabamta. Ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jing ikai kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, but QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jingjob ki urlong, but ki kalalong ka shisha. MIT University Meghalaya, Kajingya Lenti Kabastang Shakalaway Bachok.